Hi everyone and welcome to Recipe Lounge. How are you all? I do hope you're having a wonderful day. And today's recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you is a recipe that I love. I love this recipe. It's very easy to make, very tasty, and I hope you will enjoy watching and also later making this. So today we are making Achari chicken. And so I've got 1 kilo of chicken here, and I'm going to put the heat on. And first of all, we're going to add oil to this. So about 4 tablespoons of oil you'll need. So we're going to fry this for about 2 minutes until it changes color, and we'll come back to this. So on this side I have a tablespoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and a teaspoon of salt, or according to your taste. And here I have a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili, which is it's very mild, but it's just mostly for flavor. Here I have 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato puree. So these are the spices that make it unique. These are usually used in pickles. And so this is nigella seeds and mustard seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds. So I've got half a teaspoon of each. We will also need yogurt, about 4 to 5 tablespoons, and ginger and garlic paste, tablespoon each. 1 cup of fried onions. This is a very basic recipe of Achari chicken, and it doesn't really take long to cook. So now we can go ahead and add all the spices, the Kashmiri chilies, salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. All goes in. And the tomato puree. And all the Achari masala goes in, fennel seed, mustard seeds, all of them. And now we're going to mix. We also will need 2 green chilies. And now we're going to fry this for about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add the onions and the yogurt. So basically you can add all the spices and herbs and everything and let it cook. Mix everything and cook. This is a really tangy, spicy, delicious recipe. It's got beautiful colour. I'm going to add a bit of water. Now I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste. So now we're going to just cook this until the chicken is nice and tender. And the water has dried out. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So I've got the 2 green chilies. I'm going to just cut them at an angle. These are quite large chilies. been about 3 minutes, so let's check and just mix. Coming on nicely. So we'll just cover again and leave it for the next 3 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes, so let's have a look. And yes, getting there. So we're just gonna cook now without covering. We're gonna just dry the water out a bit more and let the oil come to the top. For another few minutes. So this Achari chicken is often is a side dish and often eaten with naan. It's very tangy, spicy. So I hope you will try this. It's very easy to make. Mix everything basically and just, you know. So the oils have started to come to the top, but it's going to be another 1 minute of cooking still we need to do. The chicken is ready. I'm going to just add the green chilies at the end here, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye everyone.